Skin whitening by Cope's sun exposure. In today's world, many individuals desire lighter and brighter skin tones. While sunlight is crucial for our overall health, excessive exposure to ultraviolet (UV) radiation can lead to skin damage, including hyperpigmentation and darkening of the skin. To address these concerns, this article aims to provide strategies for achieving skin whitening while minimizing sun exposure, based on the latest research findings from reputable medical journals. Understanding the relationship between sunlight and skin pigmentation. The color of our skin is determined by the amount and activity of melanin, a pigment produced by specialized cells called melanocytes. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun stimulates melanocytes to produce more melanin, resulting in a darker complexion. Consequently, reducing sun exposure can help prevent the synthesis of excess melanin and aid in achieving a lighter skin tone. 1. Sun protection, sunscreen. The regular use of broad-spectrum sunscreens with a sun protection factor, SPF, of 30 or higher is essential for skin whitening. Apply sunscreen generously on exposed skin at least 15 minutes before going outside, and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. Look for products that provide protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Sun protective clothing. Wearing clothing that covers the skin, such as long-sleeved shirts, pants, and wide-brimmed hats, can significantly reduce direct exposure to sunlight. Fabrics with a tight weave and dark colors provide better protection. 2. Seek shade. When the sun's rays are the strongest, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., it is advisable to seek shade or stay indoors. This minimizes direct exposure to intense sunlight, reducing the risk of skin damage and allowing the skin to gradually lighten. 3. Antioxidant-rich foods. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants can contribute to maintaining healthy skin and potentially aid in skin whitening. Antioxidants help counteract the harmful effects of UV radiation by neutralizing free radicals, which can lead to skin aging and darkening. Include fruits and vegetables such as berries, citrus fruits, spinach, and kale in your diet to boost your antioxidant intake. 4. Skincare routine. Total treatments. Incorporating skincare products that contain active ingredients known for their skin lightening properties, such as niacinamide, arbutin, vitamin C, or kojic acid, can help reduce melanin production and promote a brighter complexion. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliating the skin regularly can help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, resulting in a more even skin tone. Beware, don't over-exfoliation to avoid skin irritation for some people. More importantly, must-use products manufactured in a standardized factory, have a permanent location that is clearly proven, and all products must be properly registered with the FDA. 5. Consult a dermatologist. For individuals seeking more significant changes in skin tone, it is crucial to consult a dermatologist or qualified healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice, recommend professional treatments like chemical peels or laser therapies, and monitor your progress to ensure safety and effectiveness. Conclusion. Achieving skin whitening without sunlight exposure requires a comprehensive approach that focuses on sun protection, lifestyle modifications, and a well-rounded skincare routine. By adopting these strategies and being consistent, individuals can reduce melanin production and promote a brighter, more even complexion. Remember that the most important aspect of skincare is maintaining overall skin health and choosing products that contain ingredients that are safe and that meet standards from the FDA. With love, Siam Lee Cosmetics Company Limited.